everyone, and welcome back to English Talks, where learning English feels easy and fun.
Hi, Emily. And hi, everyone.
It's really nice to be here with you today.
Same here. It's great to see everyone again.
So, James, how are you doing?
I'm doing really well, thanks. I had a big breakfast.
A big breakfast is a great way to start the day.
And you, Emily? How are you today?
I'm great, and I'm very excited about our topic.
Oh, a new topic. What are we talking about?
We're talking about work. You know, work.
Ah, yes. Work is important.
It is, and we'll talk about how English can help you at work.
That's a great topic. English for work.
Yes, how English can help you get a new job. Or a better job.
A better job. I like the sound of that.
More money?
Yes, maybe.
But first, James, before we begin,
Oh, yes. Everyone, welcome. We're really happy you're here.
and if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
That little thumbs up, right?
Please do, and subscribe to English Talks.
It helps us make more episodes for you, and share it with your friends.
If your friend needs English for work, this episode is for them.
Thank you.
Okay, James, are you ready? English for work.
I'm ready. Let's start from the beginning.
Before you have a job, you need to get the job.
Ah, yes. You need to talk to the boss.
Right, and this is called an interview.
An interview. That sounds difficult.
It can feel difficult. Many people get nervous.
Yes, I'm nervous already. My hands are cold.
It's okay. We have some easy tips to help you.
Whew, good. I really need easy tips.
Tip number 1 is prepare.
Prepare. What does prepare mean?
It means you practice before the interview.
Practice like practice my English?
Yes, practice the questions and the answers.
Oh, what questions?
A very common question is, tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself. Oh no. What do I say?
It's a big question, but your answer can be simple.
Simple is good.
You say your name.
My name is James.
Great. Then talk about your work now. What you do.
I'm a teacher. I work in a shop. I'm a podcast host.
Exactly. Perfect.
And then, one thing I like?
Yes, one thing you like. Maybe not pizza.
Not pizza. Okay, something about work.
Right.
I like talking to people.
That's wonderful.
My name is James. I'm a podcast host. I like talking to people.
Wow, that sounds professional.
It does, actually.
And you can practice this at home.
Practice where?
In the mirror.
The mirror. Okay. Hello, mirror.
Yes, look at the mirror and say it clearly. Hello, my name is James.
It really helps?
It helps.
Okay, I'll try that. Hello.
Good.
What's another question?
Why do you want this job?
Oh, that's a good question.
You can say good things about the company.
The company. The place where I want to work.
Yes, you can say, I like this company.
Like, I like your computers?
Maybe. Or I like your work. Or you make good products.
Ah, I like your coffee shop. The coffee is very good.
That's a great answer. It's positive.
Positive. Yes. Happy.
And talk about what you're good at.
Good at. Like, I am good at.
Yes, I'm good at talking, I'm good at math, I'm good at writing, I'm good at helping people.
I'm good at helping people.
That's very good, James.
So in the interview, I prepare, I talk about myself, I say why I want the job.
Yes, and very important, smile.
Smile. But I'm nervous.
It's okay. We'll keep going in the next part.
I know, but a smile is friendly. It says I'm a nice person.
Exactly. And you can practice it.
Okay, I'll practice my smile in the mirror, too.
Great idea.
Hello, mirror. My name is James.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, what about clothes? My t-shirt?
Ooh, good interview question. Wear nice clothes.
Nice clothes. Like a shirt?
Yes, a clean shirt and nice pants.
Not my pajamas?
No pajamas at the interview.
Okay, no pajamas.
It shows you're serious about the job.
Good tip. So, the interview is finished. What do I say? Bye-bye?
Almost. First you say, "Thank you for your time."
Thank you for your time.
That's very polite.
Then what?
You stand up and you shake their hand.
Shake their hand. Firm?
Yes, firm. And you smile.
Wow, okay. I feel better now.
Practice your smile. And say thank you.
You got it.
Okay, James. Imagine you did the interview and you got the job.
Yay! I got the job!
Congratulations! That's fantastic news.
Thank you. So, now I'm at work.
Yes, you're at the office or the shop, and you need to talk to people at work.
People at my work.
Your colleagues.
Colleagues. That's a new word.
It just means work friends, the people you work with every day.
Ah, my colleagues. I like my colleagues.
Good. It's important to be friendly and polite at work.
Polite. Yes. How?
In the morning, when you arrive, what do you say?
Hello.
Yes, hello, or good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, James.
Good morning, Emily. How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you.
And that's a perfect start to the day.
It's friendly,
I like that.
and it's easy, too.
Very easy.
Now, what if you have a problem at work?
Oh no. It happens.
Maybe you don't understand something.
Yes, my computer. It is not working.
Ah, you need help.
Yes, I shout, help!
Oh, James, maybe not so loud.
Okay, not so loud.
You can ask a colleague and be polite.
Polite. Okay.
Go to their desk and say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, James. Can you help me, please?
Not James, but yes. Can you help me, please?
Ah, the magic word. Please.
Yes, please is magic.
And thank you is magic too.
Two magic words.
Or I can say, I have a question.
Yes, excuse me, I have a question.
Excuse me, I have a question. My computer is sleeping,
Your computer is sleeping.
and my colleague will help me.
People usually like to help.
That's good to know. It's okay to ask for help.
Yes, it's very okay.
What about the boss?
Ah, the boss. It's the same. Be polite.
Good morning, boss.
Or, "Good morning, Mr. Smith." Or, "Good morning, Miss Davis."
Use their family name.
Yes, it's professional.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Smith.
And James, when you work hard and you are polite, maybe you get a promotion.
A promotion?
A promotion is a new job, a better job, in the same company.
Oh, a better job.
Yes, maybe you become a manager or a team leader.
Manager James. I like that.
Manager James, yes.
So, using polite English at work is very important.
It helps you get a promotion.
And it shows you are professional.
It shows you are a good colleague.
Wow. I will use please and thank you every day.
Good plan.
Okay, so I talk to my colleagues, and I talk to my boss. But what about new people?
Ooh, yes, this is a big one.
Sometimes you meet new people for work.
Maybe at a work party or at a conference.
A conference. That's a big word.
A conference is just a very, very big meeting.
Big. How big?
Maybe 100 people. Or 500 people.
500 people? Emily, I'm shy.
Me too, sometimes. And that's okay.
All these new people. I don't know what to say.
You can start small.
Start small, like the interview.
Yes, it always works.
I see a person, I smile,
You smile. Good.
and I say, hello.
Yes, hello. And you say your name.
Hello, my name is James.
Hello, my name is Emily.
Then I can say where I work.
Yes, like, I work at English Talks, or I work at the coffee shop.
Perfect. Then, the most important tip. What is it?
Ask a question.
A question. Okay. How are you?
That's good. Or ask about them.
About them. Yes.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
People like to talk about themselves.
That is true. I like to talk about me.
Great. And in the next part, we'll practice a few easy questions you can use right away. So you ask, where do you work? And then you listen.
Listen. Yes, good point.
You listen, they talk.
I listen, I smile.
Yes, and you can nod.
Oh, interesting. Interesting.
That's a great word. It shows you're listening.
So I say, hello, my name is. Where do you work? Interesting?
And boom, you have a full conversation.
This is called networking.
Yes, networking. Just talking and making work friends.
Networking is just talking.
And that's not so scary.
Not scary at all.
Okay, now I want to go. I want to get a cookie.
The conversation is finished.
Yes, but you can't just run away.
I can't just run away?
Please, James, do not run away.
Okay, no running.
You must end the conversation politely.
How?
You can say, "It was very nice to meet you."
It was very nice to meet you.
Or, "It was nice talking to you."
It was nice talking to you.
And maybe you have a business card.
A business card?
Yes, a small paper with your name, your company, and your email.
Ah, yes, my little card.
You can give it to them.
Here is my card.
And you can say, "Please send me an email."
Please send me an email.
James, you are a professional.
Wow, I feel ready for a conference now.
Good. Just remember, smile, say hello, ask questions, listen, and don't run away.
Don't run away.
Wow, James, we talked about a lot today.
We did.
We talked about the job interview. Prepare, practice, and smile.
Yes.
And we talked about talking at work with colleagues. Be polite.
Use the magic words. Please and thank you.
And maybe you get a promotion.
Yes.
And we talked about networking, meeting new work friends.
It was nice to meet you.
See? The English is simple, but it's very, very important for work.
Whew, it is. I feel much better.
You feel more confident?
Yes, more confident.
That's wonderful. That's our goal.
Wow, look at the time, Emily.
Oh, yes. Time flies when we're having fun.
It really does.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Yes, thank you so much for listening.
We hope this episode helps you.
And please, if you liked our chat, don't forget to subscribe to English Talks and give this episode a like.
It really helps other people find our podcast.
And please, share it with one friend.
And we have a question for you.
Ooh, a question. Write in the comments below. What is your job?
Yes, what do you do?
Or what is your dream job?
What job do you want?
I want to be a
Uh?
pizza taster manager.
James, the pizza taster.
We love reading your comments.
Yes, we do.
Thank you, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye, Emily.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.